Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into My Activities section in Bitrix24 CRM, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need, where you can manage all the customer related tasks, whether it's call, meetings, emails, or any document approvals. These sections help you stay organized and ensure you never miss an important follow. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. Now we will see the My Activities into the Bitrix24 CRM. To access My Activities, just go to the CRM section. In the left hand side, just click on CRM. Here we will get many menus. In the More section, we have to click on My Activities. This is where you will find both you planned and completed activities. You can quickly get an overview of all your tasks, meetings, and follow-ups in one place, making it easier to manage your daily workload. In this panel, you will see all the activities are appearing in the list. This all the activities have been already created on the particular deal or client. In Bitrix24, creating an activity is simple. You can do it directly from the item form, list view, or Kanban view. Or else, for example, if you are looking at a lead or contact, just click an add activity to create a task, schedule a call, or set a meeting. You can also do this from the list view to manage multiple activity at once. In the last video, we have learned how to create activities from the leads and deals. Activities can include tasks, emails, call list, and visit, helping you to stay on top of all customer actions. If I will open this, you will see all the activities here in the activity section. To manage your activities more effectively, you can customize the list view. For example, if I'm going to my activities, just click on the setting option. In the more section, you will get my activities. To adjust the column that display in your list, for example, you can add the description field. We will see here is the name, deadline, deal or lead, client, responsible person, status. In the list view, if you want to add a description, then you can directly add it and apply. So you don't have to add to open each activity for more details. If any description is added, you can simply get in the list view. This customization ensures you can focus on what's most important and views detailed activity information at a glance. Bitrix24 offers useful features, filters to help you quickly find all and the activities that matter most. You can see here beside the create option, you will see the filter option. While clicking on that option, you will get multiple filters. My current activities, my completed activities, all current activities, and all completed activities. You can directly filter out by the responsible person, by the deadline, and if any filter you can use. If you want to add more filter, then you can use these filters from the list. For example, if in the current activities, which lets managers see pending activities for their team members, if the standing filters don't meet your needs, then you can create your custom filters based on any criteria like activity type, status, or due date. For example, if I'm writing here my name and that is this week, and if I'm saving this filter, just like that, we can create filters and we can manage our activities. This flexibility lets you tailor the view to your specific needs, saving times and efforts. In this section, we can directly take a group actions for efficiency. Managing multiple activities at once in Bitrix24 makes this easy with group actions. For example, select multiple activities and you can edit, delete, assign a responsible person, or mark as completed all at once. Just like that, if you can select all these fields, here you will get edit option. You can simply edit this, or else you can select any option. There is you will get a delete option, edit option, assign responsible person, mark as completed, and mark as not completed. So these are the options, and if you apply, then you can easily take group actions for efficiency. This help to manage work tasks quickly and effectively, especially when dealing with other follows or similar activities. There are activity limits in Bitrix24, so it's important to manage your activities to stay within a system's limits. On the standard plan, you can create up to 50,000 activities, while the enterprise plan allows up to 1 lakh. If you exceed this, activities will be blocked until you complete or delete unnecessary tasks. To stay within limits and keep your CRM clean, you can regularly delete old or irrelevant activities using the CRM cleaning. To stay within limits and keep your CRM clean, you can regularly delete old or irrelevant activities using the CRM cleanup feature. For this, we have to just go to the setting, that is CRM setting. Just click on other option in the left hand side. Here you will get the drive usage option. Click on that and we have to just click on start scan to remove outdated activities, helping you to maintain a smooth, efficient CRM system. Just like that, you can use your Bitrix24 more efficiently. In the My Activity section, you will get the task, email, call list, visit options. If you want to create a task, then you can simply create a task and assign. You will choose. If deadline, you can select the deadline and then you can create an activity. If I'm adding this task, then activity has been created. And that's a quick overview of my activity section in Bitrix24 CRM. For creating tasks to filtering activities and using group actions to manage your workload, this feature is a powerful tool to keep you organized and on top of customer interactions. Remember, regular cleanup and staying within activity limits will ensure a seamless experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.